The Internet of Things, or IoT, is rapidly changing many aspects of modern life, including business and technology, manufacturing, education, health industries, and much more. In the broadest sense, Internet of Things refers to the collection of data by devices or machines via sensors, and the transport of the data to a cloud format, where the data can be easily accessed by a single computer or system of computers. A common IoT depiction shows household appliances, such as microwaves and refrigerators, having a conversation with one another. While true in a sense, IoT is much more than that. IoT systems are essentially the connection point between multiple systems of things, and the organization and communication of data between those systems. Though IoT is available for a wide variety of personal applications, the focus provided here will be on IoT systems in business, particularly in manufacturing industries. The acquisition, transfer, and accessible common storage of data are important steps toward the primary purpose of IoT in a business, which is to use the data for action to benefit the company. It is also important to consider that IoT systems are about the movement and use of data. Once picked up and registered by sensors, data is in motion, some of it moving through the network and some of it moving into storage. Data sent to the cloud for storage is considered at rest. If called up from the cloud for analysis or other purposes, the data may be in motion once again. Any company installing or upgrading IoT systems must keep some of these factors in mind. In addition, companies must have end-to-end security across the IoT system, and the IoT system must be fully integrated and compatible with the overall business process systems of the company.